It's almost midnight. I'm bored. I don't want to go drive in the snow in the Miata. So that's what I'm going to go do. Just put snow tires on it. So it actually does pretty good. First time ever driving with snow tires. And I approve. So that's what I'm going to go do. It should be fun. See, this thing will fire up. Oh yeah, it's ready to rip. Probably let my car warm up first. Turbo's sounding good. I don't have my blow-off valve hooked up right now, so turbo's chirping. Oh brother, can't see very good out of my window. Roundabout. These roads are icy. Hit the brakes, nothing. That snowy roads are fun. I can't imagine the salt that's all over the roads. I'm sure that's good for my car. There's fourth. Stop at this stop sign. It's out here going wild on a midnight.
Front KE van.
Don't want the police after me. People driving all slow on the roads. What's going on? They're in an all-wheel drive Forester. Let's get going. I'm in a Miata. This road hasn't been plowed. Hanging these drifts. Going sideways. Might go into third. There's third. Fun stuff, I'm telling you. got a little scared, but I caught it. I got my top down. Oh, this is a riot. Just put the top down and just cruising along. Sounds cool. So I actually have these snow tires from the silver Miata. When we bought that car, it came with a set of daisies and snow tires, and so I had never used them until now. I was at my friend's shop and the weather was bad. I was like, I better try those tires out and see how they are, and I approve because it's pretty controllable. I mean, I'll probably slam it into something, but you know, I don't want to go too crazy, but it is look at that fire hydrant right there. It's pretty cool. We got a light pole right there. Jeez. And we got a turn right here. Ooh, and I went too much. Getting all cocky and I spin out. I need to put my top up. Get on the main road, people are gonna think I'm drunk or something. I don't even know if I can get it up. This thing sucks to get up when it's cold. You know, that's what they say. I'm like, my fans don't work. They haven't worked for a while. They didn't work all summer and it looks like I'm getting hot. It's weird in this cold weather. Okay, I can't really, I wonder if this road actually might be more fun. If there's not a car coming. This does look more plowed. It's still slippery though. Oh, we're hooking now. Do one more little pull here. What kind of shift was that? Might as well slide around the roundabout one more time. And then I'll probably call it a night before I do wreck into something. because it's bound to happen the longer you do it. And it might just be this little rip, you know. Want to hit that curb there or this curb, but we'll swing it out of this one. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and I will catch you in the next one.